If you've worked in retail, you're probably familiar with the cash register, totaling up sales, and counting cash at the end of the day. You always hope that the amount of cash you count is the same or very, very close to the amount of sales rung up on the register for the day. Since so much cash changes hands during the day, it's easy to make errors. That is why businesses often have a cash short and over account. Please look at exercise 6-6 on pages 250 and 251 for a demonstration on how the cash short and over account works. Take a look at the first transaction. On May 1st, cash in the cash register totaled $672 and sales for the day totaled $672. So I'm going to enter this in my journal on May 1st. I'm going to take the amount of cash that I counted in my register to the bank, and it'll be for a total of $672. And then the receipt amount is my sales revenue. So I'm going to enter sales revenue for the same amount. So on this day we had no errors. So I'll enter the explanation here. Sales revenue for May 1st. Okay, so in that transaction we didn't need the sales or the cash short and over account because there were no errors. Let's see what happened on May 2nd. Cash in the cash register totaled $455. Sales for the day totaled $461. So the cash in the register is the amount that I'm taking to the bank for $455. I'm going to skip the middle line, the cash short and over line, and go straight to the sales revenue because I know that is always the amount on my sales ticket for my cash register. So that was a total of $461. Now I'm ready to enter my difference, which happens to be $6. So I've counted $455 in my register. The sales revenue receipt says that I should have $461, so I am $6 short. So that goes into my cash short and over account. And for my explanation, that will be sales revenue for May 2nd. So on May 3rd, sales for the day totaled $789. Cash in the cash register totaled $798. So on the 3rd, I'm going to enter the amount that I counted. And in this case, it says cash in the cash register was $798. I'll skip a line for the cash short and over. And I'm going to enter now my sales revenue. According to the book, the sales for the day were $789. So in the middle, I know that that is my cash short and over account. And the difference is $9. Okay, so when you're approaching a cash short and over problem, your cash is always your debit. Enter that for the amount of cash counted. Your sales revenue will always be your credit, and that will be the amount on your sales receipt, your sales ticket that came from your cash register. And then you just plug in the difference. So in 2, we were short $6. So I had to put the $6 on the debit side to make it balance with the credit. On May 3rd, we were over by $9. So the cash short and over had to go on the credit side so that we would balance with the debit of $798.